Our entry for the 2013 ChipKit Design Challenge is called the Keylock Shield. This design offers a 4-button key fob, encryption via the Keylock Classic protocol. You can pair the shield with multiple key fobs, while also having the ability to distinguish between them independently. We've also included an open source library, making it easy for anyone to include this shield in their next project. The Keylock Shield does not use any pins that Arduino shields use. The Keylock Shield is comprised of a large prototyping area, 2 buttons used for pairing and clearing, and 2 status LEDs. The blue LED activates on RF activity, red activates when a known key fob button is pressed. The red LED is also used to indicate fob clearing and pairing operations.